Alright, so today's a not bad day, so figured why not paint it up. So I got the closest I can OEM paint that surprisingly General Motors, the early 70s Chevelle, was the same paint code that came up for the Mustang too. So it's called Victory Red. So we'll see how it looks. Here we go. So now I'm gonna let this dry. I'll probably come back tomorrow sometime and put a final coat on it because it looks like this is starting to bleed a little bit. And that'll be it all for now. So if you guys like this content, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.